Good day viewers, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to continue our tutorial on limit. Please, if today is your first time of watching, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook at Shabest Online Tutorial. So the question on the board, we have limit of s squared minus s minus 12 over s squared plus s minus 20 as s approaches 4. So we are going to start by solution. So we have lim s squared minus s minus 12 over s squared plus s minus 20 as s approaches 4. So what we are going to do, anywhere we see s, we are going to replace it as 4. So which will be equal to, in place of s here, it will be 4 to the power of 2 minus 4, then minus 12, because 12 is constant, then all over s square here, it will be 4 square, then plus s here will be 4, then minus 20. So let us wait for that to simplify. The 4 square, it will give me 16 minus 4 minus 12, it will give me minus 16, then over 4 square is also give me 16, then plus 4 minus 20, it will give me minus 16. So for 16 minus 16, it will give me 0 over 16 minus 16 is also 0. This is undefined. It is called indeterminate. So what we are going to do, we are going to apply what we call L.Hopital Rule to this limit. And the L.Hopital Rule say we are going to differentiate each of these functions separately. Then we insert our limit as s is 10 to 4. So the limit is s square minus s minus 12 over s square plus s minus 20 as s approaches 4. So by using L.Hopital Rule, we are going to differentiate each of these functions separately. And remember, recall our differentiation. If you have s to the power of n, you want to find a derivative of this function with respect to s. So what we are going to do, we are going to use this n to multiply by s. It will give me ns. Then you take away 1 from the power. So what I mean, if you want to differentiate s to the power of 4, it will be equal to 4 multiplied by s. It will give me 4s. Then you take away 1 from the 4, it will be 3. So we are going to differentiate each of this function. So I'll have a s squared. To differentiate s squared, we have 2 multiplied by s, it will give me 2s. Then take away 1 from the 2, it will be 1. That is raised to the power of 1. It's still 2s. Then minus derivative of s. If you want to differentiate this s here, s, recall this, s is raised to the power of 1. So 1 multiplied by s, it will give me 1s. Then take away 1 from 1, it will be 1 minus 1, which is 0. And recall, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, 1 multiplied by 1, it will also give me 1. The derivative of s is 1. Then derivative of constant, because we are differentiating with respect to s. Since this constant, there's no s here, it will be 0. So we are done with the numerator. Then all over s squared, the derivative of s squared is still 2s. Then derivative of positive s, it will give me positive 1. We have already differentiated what s here, which is 1, and this is positive, it will be positive 1. So we have differentiated this according to the law of Hopital. So what we are going to do is to, anywhere we see s, we are going to substitute 4 as our s, because s is approaches 4, which is equal to 2. In place of s here, it will be 4, then minus 1 all over 2 into 4, then plus 1. So this is equals to 2 multiplied by 4, it will give me 8 minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 4, it will also give me 8 plus 1, which is equal to 8 minus 1, it will give me 7, then over 8 plus 1, it will give me 9. That's for the limit of this function, s squared minus s minus 12 over s squared plus s minus 20 is equal to 7 over 9. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook at Shabest Online Tutorial.